The best three way to climb the toughest mountain. Desire. You cannot avoid the desire. Desire is something that comes whenever you have any need, whenever you are hunting or chasing after any goal. Make sure that your desire for that is strong enough to face criticism. You will be able to know what you are desiring, what that thing is all about, and why do you desire what you're desiring? Why do you like it? Is that the stage of like, want, need? And then you get to the stage of determined to have it. You determine to hunt for it. You determine to go after what you want. Determination have to do with value. When you have value for it, then you will go after the principle. When you have value for anything, then the next thing is to go and dig out those people who have gotten it. How far? How did they go about it? And then the third one is desperate. Desperate. There is no fight that gets to the level of desperation, and that fight is still standing. It takes victory in any fight that you are desperate of. Sometimes people always think desperate is negative, but it's not true. You are desperate for something, that simply means you are ready to die for it. But as I said, does it work? That's why you must answer the question at the first time of desiring. So when you are desperate, that is what I'm just trying to, the message I'm trying to pass. If you're desperate, make sure that your desperation is genuine. That means you are ready to pay the price. You are ready to take the battle to another level. You are ready to win, and you are not ready to take no for an answer. Thank you.